Penetration testing is a crucial part of cybersecurity. It simulates cyber attacks to find vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious hackers. Here are some popular tools used in penetration testing: Nmap, Metasploit, Wireshark, Burp Suite, John the Ripper, AirCrackNG. Penetration testing follows a multi-step process, starting with authorization and scope definition, ensuring all actions are legal and ethical. Next, information gathering collects details about the target system to prepare for testing. Automated tools like Nessus or OpenVAS are utilized to scan for known vulnerabilities in the system. The exploitation phase tests discovered vulnerabilities without causing harm to the system. If access is gained, post-exploitation may involve establishing persistence, stealing data, or escalating privileges. The final step is reporting, which includes an executive summary, findings, recommendations, and remediation advice to enhance security. Penetration testing must adhere to high ethical standards, always get permission, avoid causing harm, and respect privacy. Penetration testing is vital for improving cybersecurity against real-world threats. Understand the tools, process, and ethics before starting. Are you ready to start testing systems and helping organizations become more secure? Let us know in the comments below.